Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you've probably updated your iPhone to iOS 26, explored some of the flashy new features, but I bet there are a few hidden gems you totally missed. In today's video, I'm going to show you 9 hidden iOS 26 features that'll actually make your iPhone experience smoother, faster, and just way cooler. All right, let's jump right into it. First up, smart battery charging SAW. This feature takes Apple's optimized battery charging to another level. It learns when you use your iPhone the most and keeps your battery between 20% and 80% for longer, reducing wear. So if you want your battery to live longer, make sure this one's on. You'll find it under Settings, Battery, Battery Health, and Charging. Here's something fun. You can now create custom vibration patterns for different apps or contacts. Go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics. Haptics create new pattern. So now you can literally feel the difference between a text from your best friend and a spam message. iOS 26 made the app library search way smarter. You can now type things like photo editing or food delivery, and it'll suggest apps based on categories, not just names. Perfect for those of us with 1,000 apps and zero patience. Widgets aren't just pretty anymore. They're actually useful. Now you can control apps directly from the widget, like pausing music, turning on a smart bulb, or checking your to-do list without even opening the app. Apple finally caught up to Android here, and it's awesome. You can now lock individual notes using Face ID. No need for a separate password. Just swipe left on a note, tap the lock icon, and boom, privacy secured. Great for keeping those private ideas or passwords hidden. Remember how visual lookup worked on photos? Now it works on videos too. Pause a video, tap and hold on an object, and iOS will recognize it. Whether it's a dog breed, a landmark, or even a recipe ingredient, it's like having Google Lens built right in. Siri just got smarter. You can now ask follow-up questions without repeating context. For example, hey Siri, what's the weather in Paris? Then follow up with, what about tomorrow? No more starting over each time. Finally, Control Center is way more customizable in iOS 26. You can now add third-party app controls, so your Spotify camera filters or even smart home gadgets can show up there. Long press on any tile for expanded options. It feels a lot more powerful now. And last but not least, sleep mode got a huge refresh. You can set different wallpapers, focus settings, and shortcuts depending on your sleep schedule. So if you want a calm layout at night and a motivating one in the morning, this feature's made for you. So yeah, those were 9 hidden features in iOS 26 that most people totally overlook. Let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most, or if you discovered any new tricks I didn't mention. And hey, if you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more iOS tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you the next one.